out. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Ta-da! Happy painting, keep creating. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and favorite. I'll see you again next time. Ta-da! Take a break. And cut. I've decided to add some this nice brilliant blue again into our picture. So I gotta go ahead and dab it throughout. Black lines, bold and strong, and as you can see, it turned out a lot nicer adding those definitions in there.